Hi everyone, good morning from here. So the kids are went to school. I've done school runs this morning, so I let down a little bit to rest. But now I want to do clean up in their room. Yeah, I want to do small clean up. My cold won't finish me today. Hey, I was just lying down on the bed and I'm shaking. But anyways, I want to clean the room, wash their toilets, arrange everywhere. This room is scattered. I don't even want to show you guys how it looks. It's scattered. Just look at the bed. Look at the bed. You see, winter makes house to be scattered with blankets everywhere. Sweaters everywhere. Jackets everywhere. Like, hey, God have mercy. So I've bought some things that we used to clean the toilets, like 1 hour ago, all this Harpic and the. So I bought it there for over 1 hour ago now. So now I want to start from the room to the outside here, to the veranda, then to the washroom, to the toilet. So let's go. Guys, just look at how this room is looking, even under the bed. I'm having to clean here, So let me start with the bed first. All these bags here. I don't want to go through that.
Adochaleka akwambochi getiwa amarama.
Guys, I'll see you guys when I'm done. I can't record everything. And I don't want this video to be too long. So let me just I want to pour water inside this one and use brush. Use brush from this room to outside. Yeah, so see you in a short time. So guys, I was able to clear off everything in this room. Now I want to clean it. I don't even want to start using more. This is the buckets of water that I use. I want to just pour water here with detergent. I use this brush over there to brush everywhere. Then after that, I'll use the mop and mop them and clean the remaining water. So this is it. The room is cleared off, swept, and about to be cleaned. You see the final look. I've tried this morning. So guys, this is what they mean when they say deep clean with me. Listen again, deep clean with me. I poured water everywhere. I'm using brush to brush off the dust on the floor. At this point, I'm regretting my action. I'm tired. It have tired me, but it's all for good. Dust is too much in this house. In this country, not even in this house. A clean house, nah. Within 5 minutes, everywhere will be filled with dust. How they enter is what I don't know. But I cannot explain it. But I'm almost done. See, I'm pushing the water outside. Yeah, I'm pushing the water outside. So guys, I'm almost done. I'm just using the mouth to dry out some the remaining water. This room really stressed me. This room really stressed me, especially this wire down. If you're wondering which wire is this is the wire that connected to a camera. I don't know why they didn't arrange it well. But now, I want to use this mop to clean out the remaining water in this room. Like I'm done. I am really done. So guys, I want to start bringing in the things that I removed outside. I'm done cleaning. Everywhere is neat, the floor and it. So let me start bringing in the stuff that I carried outside, back inside. So guys, the bed is done. The bed is done. Like all the 3 blankets are there. They have to use it because God is too much. The first one, second, the third one. So remaining the side table that used to be here and every other things. Ooh. I'll clean the washroom later. This is the washroom. I'll clean it soon. No. If I bring in every other things, I'll go and clean the washroom and I'm done for today. I've tried, like it's not easy. I've tried. Done. This is their bag of jacket and every other things. This is my kids room, in case you don't know. This is my kids room. So this is what I want to do today. Just clean, like clean. No, hey, it's been a lot. So I've done cleaning. Arranged the bed. Arranged their jackets. We are on winter. After winter, we clear all this thing off because it's blocking the ways. So now time to go wash the toilet. So guys, I'm done washing the toilet. I'm so fat. Don't even understand the kind of ties these people put here. As you can see, it's sparkling. Yeah, so done. Today is just a hectic day for me. So I'm done for today. Today is a hectic day for me. Done. I'm in the kitchen to make some food to eat. Bye bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.